Right, dudes, so here I've got slow cooking. It's not a stew, it's an engine. Somebody suggested slow cooking all the metal parts of a nitro engine in antifreeze for a couple of days and it brings them up like brand spanking new. So I put it in last night and let me just show you an example and get this flywheel. Yeah, well, there's the engine mount. Yeah, this is more difficult than it looks. So there's the engine mount, and it was black, pure black, and it's came out really well. I want to get the flywheel because the flywheel has actually came up like brand new. Don't know if it's because it's different type of metal or something, I'm not sure. But like, I break my back cleaning engines all the time, scrubbing them with wire wool and other like brake cleaner and stuff. But this has actually turned out surprisingly well. See if I can get the block. Have a look at the block. Yeah, if you're watching this, this is the Thunder Tiger engine that I got off you. Wow, it's came out really well. Now, the front bearings were full of rust. So let me see if I can get a wee look in here. Yeah, oh, still quite a bit of rust in the front bearings, so I'm going to leave it in a bit longer. But it's definitely working. So I would suggest giving it a go if you have some old engines that need cleaned up.